All right, so let's do this problem. So hello there. So we want to solve this by elimination. All right, so I had recorded it, but I kind of messed up a little bit. But we have x plus 2y plus, x plus y plus 2z equals 2. 3x plus 4y minus z equals 25, and 4x minus y plus 3z equals -7. So what I went ahead and did was we want to label these as equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3. The one thing I'm going to do is I am going to grab, so I'm going to grab the first, so you want to choose a variable that you can easily cancel out. So in this case, I would say the y term is easy to cancel out. I'm going to grab equations 1 and 2. So let's grab equations 1 and 2, and we're going to rewrite them over here. So we have x plus y plus 2z equals 2, excuse me. 1 second. So x plus y plus 2z equals 2, and then 3x plus 4y minus z equals 25. Okay. So you want to go ahead and try and cancel out the y term. So we want to so you want to choose a variable that's easiest to cancel out. Okay, so we chose y in this case. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. Now, in this case, what we're gonna do here, we see that there's a 4y here and a y here. So if we want to cancel it out, we're gonna multiply the top by -4, because what happens is that then it will cancel out. The only thing we need to do is distribute. So -4x minus 4y minus 8z equals -8, and then plus 3x plus 4y minus z equals 25. Okay. So here we're gonna go ahead and just simplify this. So we get -x. So -4x plus 3x, that's -x. Obviously, this cancels out. So that cancels out. And then -8z minus z is -9z. -8 plus 25 is 17. By the way, it's raining outside, so yeah, anyways. So here we are gonna grab, so we know that according to this, right? Let me just move this over here. According to this, we are going to go ahead and say that this is new equation 1. So this one is new equation 1. So we're just gonna put that over here. So we know that from these two equations, we got -x minus 9y equals 17. 9z equals 17. And then here, we're going to go ahead. Now we're going to grab equations 1 and 3. So we're going to do this here. So equation 1 was x plus y plus 2z equals 2. And then we have 4x minus y plus 3z equals -7. Now, what we're going to do, notice that the y's easily cancel out. So this one, we don't really have to do anything in terms of multiplying anything to cancel stuff out. We just go ahead and go for it, right? So that cancels out, and we end up getting 5x plus 5z is equal to -5. Okay. We're going to let this be new equation 2. So now what happens is that between these two equations, when trying to cancel out a variable, we end up getting a system of two equations and two unknowns. We have 5x plus 5z. So the second equation would be 5x plus 5z equals -5. Now we're going to solve by elimination for system of two equations. So solve the system of two equations by elimination. So it was -x minus 9y equals 17. Okay, so -x minus 9y equals -17, and 5x plus 5x plus 5z. I keep saying y, oh lord, equals -5. So now what's going to happen, we're going to end up getting 4x equals -22. And actually, hold on. 5x plus 5z equals -5. Oh, I'm sorry. -x plus 9z equals 17. Golly. -x minus 9z equals 17. Oh my goodness. Okay. So then what happens here? We're going to... Sorry, hold on. We're actually... My bad. We're actually gonna... I forgot to multiply. So we're gonna eliminate x, right? So here we have 5 times -x. So -5x minus 45z equals, and it was so this would be 85, my bad, 85. And then we have plus 5x plus 5z equals -5. So then we get -40z is equal to 80. We're going to go ahead and divide by -40 on both sides. And then z equals -2. Okay. That is one of the solutions. So now go ahead and grab one of the original systems of equations, of two equations, one of the equations with two unknowns. So we're going to grab -x minus 9y equals 17. So -x minus 9y equals 17. Get -x minus 9 times -2, right? I'm sorry. minus 9z. Oh my goodness. I keep messing up. I don't know why. Equals 17. And then here we have, so 9 times negative 2, right? So here times negative 2 equals 17. Negative x plus 18 equals 17. Subtract 18 on both sides. We get negative x equals negative 1. Divide by negative 1. Get x equals 1. Okay, and then finally, so we have z, we have x, and now we're going to go back to our original, one of the original equations. So we had x plus y plus 2z equals 2. So x plus y plus 2z equals 2. And then finally here, we're going to do 1 plus, so 1 plus y, so plus 2 times, and we have z equals negative 2, so times negative 2 equals 2. So then finally, we just have 1 plus y minus 4 equals 2. 1 minus 4 is negative 3, so y minus 3 equals 2. And then finally, add 3 to both sides. Y equals 5. So x equals, so our answers are x equals 1, y equals 5, and z equals negative 2. Yeah. So these are the three x, y, and z, and then the ordered triple will be 1, 5, 1, comma 5, comma negative 2. So that is going to be the final answer. I'm so sorry if it was a really long one, but hopefully that helps. I know I kind of messed up a little bit, but hopefully that helps, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.